Here's how you can replace the sky in Adobe Photoshop. Head over to Edit, and here you have Sky Replacement. In this tab that shows up, you're able to select from different sky presets. You have a few options to choose from placed in different folders. Then you can customize everything using these settings that allow you to shift the edge of the sky or fade it. You can also control the brightness of the new sky, the temperature, and scale. You can also flip it and even make additional changes to the foreground. Make sure when you scale it that it covers the whole photo, and then choose the output method. The new sky will be saved in a new group in the Layers panel along with the adjustment layers, so you can continue making adjustments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Visit the Creative Society website for more design resources and music. If you want to continue learning, check out this other video on the screen. Thank you, and see you next time.
This is Creative Society.